Hello YouTube. Today I have something crazier than most of my videos. I have an industrial engraving machine, which is basically a small CNC machine. It's about a foot by a foot. The bed for engraving is. Then there's the control panel here. It's made by Vision. Sorry if I'm a little shaky and stuff. I've been trying to get this to work for a couple days now, and I finally got it to power on. And then you've got the control of the Z dwell, the spindle RPM, Z speed, XY speed, blah blah blah, controls, right? But if I press Y here, which is the down arrow, I mean, nothing super impressive, but it moves. It's super loud. It needs oiled for sure. A nice machine. I may or may not donate it to my local makerspace since I don't really have a use for it. But yeah, I mean, you can turn up the spindle RPM. It's super loud. I'm in the basement, so it wouldn't be wise to engrave something, get like plastic dust everywhere. Sounds like a Dremel, gets pretty loud. I have no idea what I'm doing, so this is probably a really bad idea. But then there's this big emergency stop button, and I know you guys are wondering what happens when I press it, so we're gonna slam on this thing. And it just shuts off. It's nothing special. But to disengage the emergency shut off, you push down and you turn, and then it pops back up, and then you can start it again. And then there's these Z up and down to move the spindle head up and down on the Z plane. And then if I press this go to home button, and I'm trying to get the software to work on this old computer that I have. We'll see if the software actually works. Because obviously you're not supposed to engrave stuff by hand, like by pressing buttons. You're supposed to have it hooked up to software and just engrave on its own. And we're trying to get that set up. It's connected to my computer via this PC port, and it's connected to this thing via whatever this is. It's called Table. I think it's just a serial port. It's similar to the 32-pin parallel port on old school printers. And it says, this machine may start automatically. Keep hands clear of equipment. I will definitely be obeying that. I thought it would have to have power from somewhere else, but I guess it's just powered by this chonky cable. And so this is the whole setup. It takes up my entire workspace, which we moved the workspace over here. More about that in a later video. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked that I got this thing to work, but I don't know what to use it for. I mean, engraving obviously, but I don't have anything to engrave. So comment down below what you guys think I should do with it. Should I give it to the local makerspace? Should I keep it and probably not do anything with it? I'd say scrap it for parts, but it wouldn't feel right scrapping a perfectly good piece of machinery like this. But yeah, comment down below what you think I should do.